Hello! Now that we are in the heart of summer, I was like, oh, I need a new pair of shorts. We always had a rule at my house when my kids were growing up, and that is everyone needs a favorite pair of jeans. You know, you just feel good when you have a good pair of jeans that you can wear for whatever it may be. But the one thing that I don't love about a favorite pair of jeans is the price tag. And I have to say, since it's summer, it's getting very warm around here, and I just want shorts. So I was looking into what would be the shorts that I want this season, and I decided I wanted to do the frayed look. I know I'm a little old for frayed look, but I've been seeing people my age wearing them. So as I was looking around, I noticed one thing: the price tag. Do I really want to pay upwards of $50 for a pair of frayed shorts? Well, the answer to that question is no, I do not. So don't worry, DIY is my happy place. Yes, that's me. I figured out a way to do it for a fraction of the cost. Let me show you how. Come on, it's fast, it's easy, and we're going to have some fun.
I started looking at all the different types of jean shorts that have frayed edges, the styles that I liked, and I was just astounded. The cheapest ones I found were $39, but they went up to $98, $64, $44. I mean, on sale for $60, whatever. It just was so expensive, and I was just thinking, I gotta be able to do this for cheaper. The one thing I knew was I didn't want to end up with Daisy Duke shorts. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own frayed shorts. And the best part is, no sewing needed. That's what I'm talking about. We can make these in 5 minutes and they won't break the bank. Let me show you my secret tips and tricks. The first thing you do, yeah, you got it. You go to Walmart and you go to the menswear area. Look at the men's jeans because they tend to be a lot cheaper than women's jeans. And once you're looking at the jeans, you want to be looking at their waist and really just the top portion. It doesn't matter what the legs look like, other than you want to see what type of jean you want, whether you want a high waist, low waist, white, black, blue, what color, how faded, whether you want the legs tapered or skinny. And I know these old grandpa looking jeans do not look like they're going to be what you want, but trust me, they'll work. Now the men's jeans don't go on sale very much, but do look in the clearance section, because even in the women's area. The reason why you go to men's is because they tend to be cheaper in Walmart than the women's jeans, but I did find this pair for $5 on clearance, so you always want to check the clearance section. I like these because I just decided I want some black, kind of faded looking, and then I'll add the frayed parts. The biggest thing is, when you start to cut, don't cut them too short, because again, they may end up looking like Daisy Duke shorts, and that's not the look I'm going for. Now maybe you are, but no thank you. So again, we're going to go about a half an inch or so longer than what you really want, because again, once they're frayed up, they will shorten even more. And so I just cut the first leg at the length that I wanted, and then I took the piece that I cut off and used that to measure my others. Now, you can look at those other shorts that I showed, and you don't have to have them straight across if you don't want to. You could cut them both at an angle or a little bit wavy, coming and going. But however you cut them, once they're frayed out, they'll look fantastic. Okay, now I'm going to go over to the back. I basically want to cut off some of the pieces of the pocket so that those will fray out and look more rustic. We don't want them to look stiff and like they're old man pants from Walmart, even though they are. Or in this case, these are from the women's section in Walmart, but either way, I want them to look a little bit more trendy. Now, as you're cutting off the little pieces, be careful not to go into the second seam. You only want to cut off on the outside edges, and make sure you don't cut through both pieces of fabric so that you end up with a hole in your hind end. Okay, now I'm going to cut around the pocket area and also around the zipper. but wherever you're cutting, make sure you only cut. In these particular jeans, there's 2 sets of stitching, and so you just want to make sure you're only cutting before the first set of stitching. I hope that's making sense. Now on the bottom, I wanted to have some holes, and depending on what style you're looking for is how big of the holes. Now make sure that you cut the brands off. If there's any brands, you don't need to be, advertising to everyone that they're a Walmart brand. You just take off the brands and then cut some holes. Now, I wanted them to be pretty conservative, so I didn't cut huge holes around the leg, the bottom of the knee area, but if I was a teenager, I might make those a little bit bigger. Now, all you need to do is wash and dry, and they fray themselves. Isn't that wonderful? I am so happy with my $5 5-minute shorts. I can't even believe it. Woo!
I'm ready to just make a pair for everything. I've got a black pair. I need a light blue, a dark blue. I don't know. Maybe I'll get myself all the way up to $20 worth of jeans. Jean shorts, that is. All right. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon. See ya.